the waist circumference. To take this measurement, you have to be able to find the waist level position. And there are two ways of doing that. You either place a finger at the back of the person to find the center of the arc, that's the center of the curve at the back of the person, or you ask the client to raise one arm up. You ask the person to bend sideways. There are folds that will form when the person bends. You can also use that to find the position of the waist level. Then you get your string and tie it at that position. While tying the string, you can ask the client to help you place a finger on the first knot that you're going to make. Let it be tight, though not too tight, but tight enough so that it will not be moving. Then you make your second knot. That position is very important. You have to get that waist level position properly because it is the basis for so many other measurements that you're going to take on the client. Position it well. Make sure the string is straight. Check it, double check it, and make sure everything is in the proper position. Then you can take your tape around the person to now take the waist circumference measurement. Keep your tape very straight. Make sure your finger is not behind the tape so it will not add to the measurement. Just use the tip of your finger to hold it. Then you take your measurement.